Dorbar Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
To be laid on the table.
Sir, please look at the front row. No cabinet minister is present. Not a single cabinet minister. Not one cabinet minister.
Okay.
Sir, this is a breach of parliament.
I will take it up with the I will take it up with the governor, please.
No. This is not the on the way.
Respected Chairman,
Minister, please request a cabinet minister to come to the house. Please request the cabinet minister to come to the house. I am requesting them. Please take your seat. I am asking you.
Nakadaw Jingbom the Minister Hapo Yin Dorbar, Chairman Wahapan Pynsangeh no Shuwai Dorbar Jong Rajya Sabha. Kini gede hakapor bigdang keren ngolam halakimin sim kibladu no hakajnya kun persya ikile no hakapor baga parlimen ke syahiar thma hakakat lati uno pra arajar iwe. Dekat bagajnya keren gedang yat ki MP kaliang persya iklayeng ban pentip show chairman bakumno anya chakmat ik Dorbar haba uweru Menteri Sarkar umdan hapo Yin Dorbar. Kumtau chairman CP Radha Krishnan ulong ba unpa iki menteri khna bagi late khat yu unu Menteri Sarkar bonwan Hendaki MP kaliang persya ki yeng ben persya barkim ailat ben penya ke Dorbar kumtau chairman Pynsangeh no Shuwai ke Dorbar shipho Minit bagi Dorbar kasas dang biang hadin balon poi ki minister UMP jengka seng Kongres Ujai Ram Ramesh lakin thop persya dak boong bagani gede jing khen ben yek yeng Dorbar bakat ke Dorbar jeng Raja Sabharu the minister.
I do agree. Why, Jairamji, you are shouting? The house is adjourned for 10 minutes.